It's a 2020 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Stelvio's voluptuous body wraps around a turbocharged engine, sure-footed chassis, and meticulously crafted leather interior. It's the SUV only Italy could build. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather sport seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and refrigerated box located in the console. Alfa Romeo has a storied history of building racetrack-inspired vehicles for the street. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.